Hi there, welcome to RightSync. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough on how to create a new reservation, as well as allow your customers to use the Request a Quote plugin. We at RightSync understand the challenges that transportation businesses face every day. Whether you operate a limo, taxi, tour service, or anything in between, managing quotes, scheduling reservations, and invoicing customers can be overwhelming. That's why we created RightSync, to streamline these processes and help businesses like yours thrive. So we'll get started by creating a new reservation. So once you click on Create New Reservation, you'll be taken here where you can enter all the details of your reservation. As you can see, we've already pre-inputted some information here, and Emily will be traveling from DFW Airport to American Airlines Stadium on June 21st at 5 p.m. And she's also flying in on American Airlines AA120 flight number. And we also want to note that she has a special request that she'd like to have water bottles delivered to her upon pickup. So we'll add that note here for our driver. And if we go up to the top, we can see that the reservation is estimated to be around $130. And this was calculated using the base rate of the vehicle that we selected for the reservation, as well as Google Maps data, and adding in mileage and drive time estimates. So we'll enter $130. And she's actually a family friend, so we'll give her a $25 discount on this trip. And then we'll go ahead and click Create Reservation. So as you can see, the new reservation's been created, and here the reservation was set for 25 minutes because it used the Google Maps drive time estimate to make a determination on how long it thinks the reservation should be. We can go ahead and change that trip duration right here if we want to, but we'll just leave it there for now. Let's go ahead and assign a driver. Let's assign Max Wheeler. And we know that Max is available at this time because if there was another active reservation, Max's name would be in red, and that would indicate that he's not available for this reservation. We'll also go ahead and assign the white E-Class to this ride. And it's also really easy for our customer to pay for this reservation. When we create a new reservation, we have the option to send them an email with a payment link, but we can also click on View Confirmation, and we'll be directed to the page where the customer can actually pay for the ride. So as you can see, here's the reservation details that Emily will be able to see, and it provides all the information on her reservation and also allows her to pay for her trip right here. We also offer Apple Pay as an option for your customers too. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is for your customers to request a quote and receive a price estimate directly from your website with the Request a Quote plugin. Also to note, you're able to brand this page with your own company logo and details. So we'll say that I'm a potential customer wanting to be picked up on June 22nd at 3 o'clock from Dallas Love Field Airport, and we want to be dropped off at the American Airlines Center. We'll go ahead and click Select Vehicle, and we can see our price estimates here of $126. So now we'll enter our details here, and I'll enter my name, my phone number, and an email address. And we'll click Submit Quote Request. Now I just received an email with all the details for the quote request, and I'm able to book another trip here. But now if we go back to our quote dashboard, we'll be able to see quote number 7 just appeared in our dashboard, and it's not been responded to. So we'll go ahead and click Respond and View Details. Now we're able to see all the details of the quote that the customer requested. We can see that the original ride estimate that they received for the quote was $126. So let's go ahead and respond to this quote. We'll select the vehicle type that they wanted, which is the Mercedes Vito, and we will give them a price of $126. We can also add custom email text that will go on the quote email that they receive, as well as add any internal notes that we may have for our drivers as well as our internal staff. And just as easy as that, you'll see that that quote has now been responded to. And once the customer receives the email with their quote details, they'll be able to pay online. And when they pay online, that quote will automatically be turned into a reservation. And those were just a few features that RideSync offers to help our customers streamline their operations to make it easier for them to run their businesses. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and feel free to sign up for a free account and give it a try.